In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen in Microsoft Teams web app. Let's get started right away. First, you'll need to start a Teams web meeting. Stay on the current Teams or channel screen where you're already working. From here, look to the top right corner of the Teams window and click Meet Now to begin setting up a new meeting. If a small menu opens after that click, go ahead and select Start Meeting to move forward. You'll now be taken to the pre-join screen, which is where you can set your audio and video preferences before joining. On this pre-join screen, turn your camera off if you don't want video to be shown. Next, turn your mic off as well if you'd prefer to join muted. Once your camera and microphone are set the way you want them, click Join Now to enter the meeting. Now it's time to open screen sharing. Look at the meeting controls along the top of the window and click Share to open the sharing options. Keep the Include Sound toggle switched off, unless you specifically need to share computer audio along with your screen. After that, choose either Screen or Window from the options that appear. The browser will now open its sharing picker, and this is where you choose exactly what to share. If you want to share everything on your display, select Entire Screen, or if you only want to share a single application or window, choose Window instead. Once you've made that choice, click the thumbnail of the screen or window you want to present. Then click Share to begin broadcasting it to the meeting. Now let's confirm that sharing is actually active. Move your mouse pointer up to the very top of the shared screen. You should see the presenter toolbar appear there. Confirm that the Stop Sharing option is visible within that toolbar, which tells you Teams is actively presenting your screen. When you're finished presenting, you'll want to stop sharing. Click Stop Sharing in the presenter toolbar to end the broadcast and return to the standard meeting view. Your selected screen is now being shared from Microsoft Teams web app. The presenter toolbar appears whenever you move the pointer to the top of the screen, and the Stop Sharing button confirms that Teams is actively presenting. Congratulations! You've successfully shared your screen in the Microsoft Teams web app.